In this video, we bring to you a luxury shipping container home in Silver Spring, Maryland, United States. Stay tuned to find out more about this extraordinary shipping container home. Welcome back. This uniquely designed steel shipping container home in a corner of the world is located in Silver Spring, Maryland, and was designed by world-renowned architectural firm Travis Price Architects. This double-story house is built using two types of steel shipping containers comprising of 20 feet and 40 feet container modules. The containers are stacked and protected with steel shutters fabricated from container steel, which are set 20 feet apart. The space created in between the containers serves as the home's double-volume living space and is built using conventional materials and techniques, providing a powerful exterior design feature. The living room on the first floor is equipped with modern-style white sofas designed according to today's needs. There is a custom coffee table, a mid-century modern swivel chair which adds a contemporary flair to the lounge area, plus a sleek black steel fireplace suspended from the double-height ceiling to keep the house warm during chillier weather. From the living room, a sliding glass door leads onto a terrace, perfect for outdoor living. The living area is filled with natural light from the full-height glazing and the several skylights sprinkled across the ceiling. On one side, the main living area flows into an adjacent container whose wall has been largely cut away to make room for a low dining table with cushion seating. On the opposite side of the room, the corrugated container walls have been left intact and with a door leading to more intimate rooms. At one end of the main living area is a modern-style kitchen fitted with IKEA black painted cabinets fabricated from recycled materials. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and a gorgeous central island with a bar-style seating for a small gathering. On one side of the living room is a modern floating staircase that leads to the second floor story of the house. From the lobby of the staircase on the first floor level, you find two spacious bedrooms and a bathroom. The master suite is the picture of luxury with an ample amount of cushions lining the cozy bed and is illuminated with natural light with floor-to-ceiling glass panels that offers breathtaking views to wake up to every morning. The other bedroom has a white lacquered wooden bunk bed for children and lots of storage shelves. From the master bedroom is a gorgeous and cleverly designed wet room-style shower area, a toilet area, and a modern wash-hand basin. The white interior walls and the ceilings are a mix of sheetrock and the exposed corrugated container steel define the space with an industrial vibe. From outside, the grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible in selected areas of the exterior and are painted black to make the house stand out from the leafy surrounds, emphasizing the industrial style of the house. The remaining parts of the exterior are covered with timber, giving the house a more conventional look. We love everything about this amazing container home. Which part of this amazing modern home appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which features amazing shipping container projects from around the world. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.